My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture. Today we are starting chapter number 2 of class 10, and I will start some questions from exercise 2.1. So mind you that I am solving only the questions which came in boards exams as long questions. Right, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so and press the bell icon button as well, and tell your friends to do so as well. All right, so question number 2, part 1 of exercise 2.1. I'm doing it now. So we have to find the nature of the roots, right? So the equation is x squared minus 23x plus 120 equals to 0, and we have to find number 1, nature of the roots and verify by solving. Number 2, verify by solving. Right, so we will find the nature of the roots. First equation is x squared minus 23x plus 120 equals to 0. So we can solve it with anything. First of all, we have to check the nature of the roots. So discriminant will be equals to b squared minus 4ac. Here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 23, right, and c equals to 120. So solving it, we have minus 23 the square minus 4 times 1 time 120, so equals to 529 minus 480. It means that this equals to 49, which is equals to 7 square, and which is greater than 0. So as the discriminant is positive, because discriminant is positive and a perfect square, the roots are real, rational, and unequal, means different. Right? So we do number 2 now. For number 2, for the verification, we solve it. So the equation is x squared minus 23x plus 120 equals to 0. We can do it with the factorization. So 120 can be factorize in 15 and 8 to get 120. So we have x squared minus 15x minus 8x plus 120 equals to 0. Taking x as common, we have x minus 15. We have 8 common with minus sign, x minus 15. We have x minus 15 times x minus 8 equals to 0, means x minus 15 equals to 0, or x minus 8 equals to 0, x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 8. So verified that it is verified. We have to write that because the word verification is written. So we have to write, so verified, this is enough, that roots are real and unequal and rational and rational. I hope you understand it well. And if you didn't, you may ask uh, on my WhatsApp number, which I have given the beginning of the video. Right, I will now solve the question number 3, which is very important, and this question is asked in the GCSE level mathematics paper as well. Right? Okay. So what value of k? Find k. Question number 3, exercise 2.1. For what value of k, roots of or the expression is a perfect square, or the expression is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. Right. So the equation is k square x square plus 2 times k plus 1 x plus 4. Right? Let's say it is equals to 0. So for this, the discriminant must equals to 0. So for perfect square, the discriminant must equals to 0. Must equals to 0. Right? So here a equals to k square, b equals to 2k plus 1, C equals to 4. So therefore, discriminant equals to b square minus 4ac must equal to 0. What is b square is 2 times k plus 1 the square minus 4 times k square and 4 must equals to 0. So we have 4 uh, k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 4 times k square, sorry, for the 16 times k square equals to 0. Taking 4 common, so we have k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 4k square equals to 0. So we have 4 is not equals to 0, means minus 3k square plus 2k plus 1 equals to 0. Yes. So a equals to, or we may just take the minus common. So 3k square plus 2k plus, sorry, it's all minus. Okay. Minus 2k minus 1 equals to 0. So just we can solve it. 3k square minus 3k plus k minus 1 equals to 0. Yes, 3k common, so k minus 1 plus 1 common, k minus 1 equals to 0. So we have k minus 1 times 3k plus 1 equals to 0. So we have k minus 1 equals to 0, or 3k plus 1 equals to 0. For this we have k equals to 1, or k equals to minus 1 over 3. So therefore our answer is, therefore k is equals to minus 1 over 3 and 1. So this is the answer or the solution of question number 3. I will do the question number 4 and then we will finish the lecture inshallah. Let's try to solve all these questions at least 2 times after seeing the video. And if you find any difficulty, you can watch the video many times. Right. So the same question, find the value of question number 4, 2.1. So again, the question is find the value of k, value of k if roots are equal. So the equation is 2k minus 1 the square x 2 minus 2k minus 1 times x plus 3kx plus 3 equals to 0. 0. So for roots are equal, discriminant must equals to 0. So here A equals to 2k minus 1, B equals to 3k, and C equals to 3. So means B square minus 4AC equals to 0. So B square minus 4AC equals to 3k the square minus 4, 2k minus 1 times 3 must equals to 0. So we have 9k square minus 12 to the 24k and plus 12 equals to 0. Taking 3 common, okay? So 3 common, we have 3k square, 3 8s are 24, and 3 4s are 12. So 3 is not equals to 0, implies 3k square minus 8k plus 4 equals to 0. So we have 3k square, factorizing it, minus 6k minus 2k plus 4 equals to 0. So we have 3k common, k minus 2, minus 2 common, k minus 2 must equal to 0. So we have k minus 2 times 3k minus 2 equals to 0. So we have k minus 2 equals to 0, or 3k minus 2 equals to 0. So we have k equals to 2 and 3k equals to 2, or k equals to 2 over 3. So it means that we have two values for k. So therefore k equals to 2, or maybe comma, k equals to 2 over 3. These are our answers, and I hope you understand it well. And if you don't, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given just in the beginning of the video, right? If you haven't subscribed the channel, please do so, and press the bell icon button as well. Thank you very much. Allah आपका हामी नासिर हो.